Hello, Chessmode family. Hello, Ryu. White Monday continues. It's gonna be a short video, Ryu. I saw that you lost a game in Olympiad. From the opening, you got very bad position. So I'm going to make a very short video to show you where was the mistake. So it's Sicilian, guys. If you know this line, it's very dangerous line for black, and you should know very well how to play against this. E6. Now your opponent is playing f5 instead of main line castle, as people was playing mainly. Knight g7, d3, d6. White play in the theory queen e1, castle, and only after this white play f5. After e5, white play queen h4 and getting attack. Bishop g5 is coming, bishop h6 is coming. White is very strong, knight from f3 will join the attack from g5, and it's dangerous position for black. But what happened in your game? White played f5 immediately. You took with e-pawn, it's fine. d3, knight e7, castle, d6, and now your opponent played queen e1. So we got the theory as if white play here, instead of queen e1, castle f5, white played f5 immediately. If queen e1. This is what you got in your position. Why people are not playing f5 and queen e1, playing queen e1 immediately, castle then f5? Because after f5, take queen e1, you have two strong moves. First, you can play just bishop e6. And now bishop e6, take knight g5, don't give anything to white, you just play queen d7 and nothing there, you are just pawn up. The difference why you can here play bishop e6 and why if white play queen e1 immediately, castle f5, now you cannot take and play bishop e6 because after bishop e6 knight g5 and you are losing material. But when you are not castle yet and white played this position, you have bishop e6 move. Another strong move that you have here is h6 instead of castle. And now with queen h4, again just bishop e6, and white has not knight g5 move. After bishop e6, take e6, then queen d7, long castle, you are just pawn up and has better position. It will be g5, not just pawn, it's also more better position. So queen e1, yeah, just that, bishop e6 or h6. After castle, queen h4, this is really dangerous position, you should avoid it. And a few words if white play the right way, so they castle and play queen e1 instead of f5, wrong move. Queen e1, waiting you to play castle and then play f5. The best way really here is to play d5. You should close this bishop on b3 and open your c8 bed 1. So d5 you are playing instead of taking on f5, d5, while is playing bishop b3, now you are taking d4, there is also c4, interesting move, d4, d4, taking on f5. This is a bit different position. After queen h4 there is long theory coming, but you are playing this position instead of what you gain in your queen h4. What is the difference? So we got almost the same position. Instead of that, we took off the d3 and the d6 pawns. Why it's good for us? Because as we know, when opponent is attacking on our king, the best response that we have is crush the center. So after changing these pawns, we are crushing his center. Our queen is activating. There are many moves here after the right d5, bishop b3, taking e4, queen h4, there is I believe h5 move, there is knight d4 move, so you should go this position instead of what you get this. So Ryu, good luck in your future rounds, and remember, right move brother.